Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week we're going to talk about what is the best rugged computer for logistics, like warehousing, transportation, fleet management, that sort of thing. Well, I gave some thought to this, and you really need to be portable. So portable-wise, the Panasonic Toughbook CF33 is an extremely portable unit. Well, it looks like a standard laptop. The nice thing about this unit is the screen pops off like this, and now we have a walk-around lightweight tablet that we can scan barcodes. It comes with a scanner, like you can have a scanner there to scan barcodes in a warehouse scenario or that type of thing. You can, on a fleet management, if you needed to plug into the car or vehicle or truck, whatever type of vehicle it is, you can easily use the USB ports that are on the side here and connect your cable to the vehicle. So it makes it very lightweight. You can also take pictures. So if you needed to take video or pictures of a certain situation, you could easily do that. And the beauty of this particular style tablet laptop is you come back to your office and you pop it into the keyboard, and now you have a full-fledged laptop with a full keyboard to type or do whatever you need to do, send email, that sort of thing. You can still do it with the tablet because there's an on-screen keyboard as well. It's just not as convenient, in my opinion, as the keyboard. So that's some of the nice things about this particular laptop and how it can be used. That's all I got for you this week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave comments down below. I do answer them all. And I'll see you guys next week.